Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean, Holiday Edition 2023, and today we're going to explore what would happen if Santa did crack. Unfortunately, I don't look anything like that motherfucker. Look at this hairy fuck here. Crack Santa's just all about the hose. Look, how do you think Santa keeps his fucking eyes open all night on Christmas? By doing Christmas crack, duh. Made the label myself. This is the easiest Christmas present treat thingy recipe you ever done did, but first some holiday libations, because until the Christmas crack is made, we'll have to settle for caffeine and shit. The shit being JMO, obviously. Don't be a dumbass. And today I got my little crack ho helping, who is already cracking under pressure. Alrighty fuckers, 5 ingredients is all you need. Butter, chocolate, brown sugar, and some crackers. And you know me, a big old salty... My wife said I shouldn't say it. Big old saltine, that's me. Anyway, Christmas crack cooks at 300 degrees, but most importantly is, drinky poos. Cheers, dummies. Alright, so some people use foil to cook their Christmas crack, but I prefer parchment paper on account of foil will stick to that shit and tear, so fuck that. Gee whiz, all this parchment paper is making me parched. Being parched and quenched made my ass thirsty again. Thirsty ass. Is your ass thirsty? That's a no. Okay, the next part requires you to be especially crack-a-lackin'. Actually, it only requires you to not be a dumbass and line your fucking crackers up. It's not rocket science. You can do this on a street corner, an abandoned house, like, a cracker house. I don't know any real cracker jokes, so I'm cracking whatever dumbass joke comes to me. Sorry, not sorry. You're the one watching it. Let's just drink. Anyway, this recipe is enough for 2 trays, and how many giveaways depending upon how much you can part with, because, it's fucking crack, so you might want to quadruple this shit. Drinky poo! Anyway, just get it done. You said mine. No, you said mine! Oh. I know. Alright, I don't think you need to watch me line all these up. Drinky poo! Lining up crackers took her motherfucker out, so be sure and take a couch break. Doing crack for so long requires a little sit down so you don't crack up. Our cat's name is Duck. He's a fucking quackhead. Oh yeah, I forgot to finish doing the crackers. That's why this shit is so good, because crackers are salty, just like cracks are. Like, ass cracks are, and other cracks are quite salty. And if a salty motherfucker makes them, then maybe take a fucking shower. If you get a BJ whilst making this, it's called crackhead. Alright, let's check our oven temp. Speaking of cracks, okay, this is getting stupid. I think we need a little more Christmas coffee to get through this bullshit. Alright, top that shit off, will you? Dance like no one's watching you, and you're on crack. Alright, find a crack pot and put 2 cups of brown sugar and 4 cubes of butter in it, and then light that crack. If this doesn't get taken down, I'm gonna be fucking astounded, but fuck it. And you're going to want to stir the shit out of this shit, and it helps if you get a candy thermometer. And we just got this one, so I should probably test it on something like, I don't know, how about my taint? Alright, this is taking too long, fuck it. Oh, how about I test it on my butt crack? What? No, just fucking no. Rude. Alright, well, did we already talk about stirring the shit out of this shit? Well, do that until it's 190 degrees, which is way hotter than a taint. Depending on the taint. Or until it looks crackly, like that. Then preferably ask someone who's not fucking hammered to do your camera work whilst you pour the shit onto your crackers, otherwise your viewers are gonna get all dizzy and shit. Thanks, wifey poo. She tried. Anyway, there's no harm in taste testing. Come here, drunky McGee. Put it in your mouth. Alright, be sure to hydrate and keep an eye and a hand on the crack. I know. Look, we're almost done. Put your fully covered crackers in the oven, and speaking of crack... I'm actually not that generous. I just gave you some free crack to get you hooked. It's a thing. Alright, next pour 3 cups of chocolate chips in a damn bowl. And I recommend melt it 30 seconds at a time in the microwave, but I'm not the fucking boss of you, so fuck it up if you want. I don't have to eat your shit. Alright, crack your oven and make like a tipsy proctologist. Okay, I'm just gonna stick this... Oh, sorry. I'm gonna insert this in... Oh, shit. Oh, that's the one. Anyway, probe your crack until it's 300 degrees. Drink a poo. And while you're doing that, don't forget to smush around the brown stuff. If you don't have a thermometer, that's fine. You can just fucking stare at it impatiently. Then when you're all, oh shit, it's bubbling, that's when you take it out. Crack. And you might need to reorganize it a bit. And phew, that reorganizing made me thirsty. And I put mine outside to cool, and if it doesn't get hard, you might have fucked it up. Or if you get too hammered, it might not get hard. You know what I'm saying? I mean, so I've heard. Speaking of hammered, it's a nice day out here for a drinky poo. Alright, see that? It's getting hard. Never did need Viagra. Oh yeah, and don't forget your chocolate. Alright, looks good. Alright, so just, get your crack all brown like when you were a baby or that time you thought it was a fart. And, well, anyway, we're sprinkling pink Himalayan salt on top because it tastes good. It's easiest to cut it while the chocolate's still soft because don't be a dumbass. And we're gonna have a little drinky poo, just me and you. Alright, that's enough. Okay, put your crack in the fridge. If there's no room, just shove it in. Just spit on it if you have to. No, okay, don't do that. Once your crack is hard, make like a cracker and crack a crack. Make like it's tax season and bend over and... No, wait. Make like someone who ate too much fiber. No. Make like a porn star and spread... Never mind, just break this shit. And you can buy some of these cutesy little fucking Christmas bags and bag it up for your dumb friends unless they live too far away and you don't see them soon enough because this is a crack. It's getting fucking eaten. Hello, that's why they call it crack. And does it taste good? I mean, fuck, that toffee shit infuses with the cracker and the juxtaposition of sugar and salt is exemplary. And sorry if I use big words, I'm an addictionary. I know. Well, we did it. It tastes good. Yeah, we did. Let's rub fingers. Cheersies, Merry Christmas, fuckers, or you got some chocolate on your cheek. What? You're nice and salty. All right, Merry Christmas. Say yes to crack. Toodaloo.